Hey everyone, good morning. It is 2026. It's actually January 7 of 2026. The last time na gumawa ako ng video was years ago. Maybe 2024 yata or early 2025. Anyway, it's 2026 and I've grown a lot emotionally, spiritually, mentally, and financially. So today, gusto ko lang i-share na because I am already in my 40s, I'm actually 46, 47 this year. I'm into fitness. So, hindi naman ako mag-enroll sa gym or magkakaroon ng 1 hour every day of intense workout. So, ano lang, I discovered the power of strength training. Hindi ako magbibuild ng mga bato-batong muscles. But my purpose is to, my intention is to grow old, healthy, and strong. Gusto ko yung kahit umakit ako ng stairs, walang pain, even after long hours of sitting down, hindi mahirap tumayo. I can carry my groceries. I'm not depending on other people to help me. Basta yung strong lang, strong and healthy. At mabilis pa lumakad, mabilis kumilos, yon. So, na-discover ko yung strength training pala is very important, especially to women who are in their 40s kasi perimenopausal na tayo. And, so, ang gagawin ko for this year, I hope na masustain ko siya, is to yung strength training nga. So here, meron ako dating 5 pounds of weights. Matagal na to. Hindi ko consistently ginagamit kasi busy sa work, and pag mom ka, marami kang inaasikaso sa bahay. So hindi ko siya laging nagagamit. Tsaka hindi ko rin kasi, minsan din kasi nag-ano lang ako, cardio lang, walking or HIIT or HIIT, high intensity interval workout dito sa bahay. So, minsan nagagamit ko to, minsan hindi. Pero this year, ang intention ko is strength training like 3 times a week and then twice HIIT exercise for cardio. So, kakatapos ko lang ng HIIT, and then isa rin sa mga natutunan ko is about strength training is to carry the heaviest weight that you can. Hindi naman yung masisira yung muscles mo. Hindi yon. Yung kaya mo lang bitbitin, buhatin in 6 to 8 reps. So, dahil ito, ginamit ko last week, 5 pounds lang. So kulang pa yung 6 reps. So, kaya ko siyang buhatin. So, ibig sabihin, I can carry a heavier weight. So, yung husband ko, dati, nag-strength training din siya. Pero siyang 10 pounds. So, ito, talaga, kaya ko to. 10 pounds. And kayang sakto-sakto siya for 6 to 8 reps lang. No more than that. Kasi, ang intention naman dito is yung strength mo ma-build. Hindi yung volume, kung gaano kahaba yung pagbubuhat mo. It's the quality and consistency, of course. The quality of how you carry the weight. So, ito, nag-start ako today kasi makalawang na to dahil hindi niya ginagamit for a long, long time. Binabad ko lang sa oksali para mabawasan yung kalawang niya. So, 10 pounds, yan. So, 6 reps ng ganyan. Tapos, dahil hindi naman ako talaga nagbubuhat ng ganyan ka-heavy, kailangan matuto tayo sa mga experts. So, yan kasi ang ko. Hindi ako basta nakikinig kung kani-kanino lang. Kailangan makikinig tayo sa experts. Kung gusto mong maging healthy, learn from the nutritionist. Kung gusto mong mag-build ng muscle over 40s, makinig ka sa mga experts, sa mga credible people. Kagaya ko yung pinapanood ko, she's a nutritionist with PhD, scientist sa exercise and physiology. So, and also they're walking the talk. So, ang dami niyang muscles. And she's in her 50s. So, kung kilala niyo si Dr. Stacy Sims, siya yung recently ko lang siyang fina-follow. So, natutuwa ako sa kanya. And, yung paano magbuhat is pinag-aaralan ko din. Meron din akong pinapanood na YouTube. Kasi, it's important na makinig din tayo. Kasi I'm in my 40s nga. So, makikinig ako sa mga women who are around my age who's doing what I am just starting out to do. So, sila, bibilib ako, maybe, I'm not sure kung 40s siya or parang 50s na yung pinapan kong video. Pero ang binubuhat na 20 pounds. Grabe, 20 pounds. Ito nga 10 pounds na nag-start pa lang ko. Pero hindi ko naman planong I'm not sure, pero I'm just starting out eh. So yun, gusto ko lang i-share na kung gusto natin maging fit, over 40s, kasi super dami ng health benefits ng strength training. Hindi ko primary purpose or reason sa pag-weight training yung magkaroon ng muscle or magkaroon ng abs or maging to look good. Hindi yon. Ang primary purpose ko or intention ko why I'm starting to do strength training or resistance training is para yun nga, to grow old, strong, and healthy. Kasi mayroon yung sa brain natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng neuroplasticity, nagbibuild tayo ng new learning, tapos yung mga pathway, mga ganyan. Hindi ako scientist, pero naiintindihan ko yung idea behind that and the health benefits. So yun, kaya nag-start ako nito and marami pa akong gustong gawin for 2026, pero yun, isa yun, yung health, and of course improve my financial status, more income, less work, more income. Yun gusto ko. And for the health, tsaka eating right. And of course, gusto ko lang din isingit pala, before, natutunan ko din from Dr. Stacy Sims na eat protein before working out. Hindi ko pa na-research kung anong effect after working out, kung okay ba yon. Pero ang sinasabi niya is, within 30 minutes upon waking up, you should consume protein already when you are planning to do strength training afterwards. Pero pag cardio, kain ka ng konting carbs, hindi naman yung full meal, pero konti lang, like siguro crackers, pero more protein muna before yung carbs. Yun, bago ka mag-strength training, kasi magbibuild yung muscle. Doon ka magbibuild ng muscle when you have enough protein in your system. So yun. And also rest din pala. So una, yun nga, protein before working out na strength training. Number 2 is hindi mo siya gagawin everyday, kasi you need to have a day for recovery para magbibuild muna yung muscle mo. And magiging consistent ka, kasi hindi mo siya gagawin araw-araw for 1 hour. No. It's only like 10 to 15 or 10 to 25 minutes, ganon. Depende sa kung magaling ka na, di ba? Pero ako okay na sa akin ng 15 minutes, tsaka busy, I need to work. So yun. Yun muna yung takeaway ko, kasi hindi man ako expert. Pero yun lang yung gusto kong i-share sa moms like me who are in their 40s and work from home or stay at home. So I hope na may natutunan kayo and start also trying to improve yourself, your overall health kasama na dyan yung mental, spiritual, and everything. Kasi it's not just for you, but it's also for your loved ones who will benefit kapag ikaw ay strong and healthy, diba? So yun, God bless, bye!